Hi everybody, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. In a recent interview with Miami's 103.5 The Beat, Jamaican-born rapper Sean Kingston revealed that his prison time has brought him closer to God. He also revealed plans to release new music and write a book chronicling his journey and telling his side of the story, telling the public to not believe the fake narrative.
There was a lot of stuff that I did, a lot of stuff they did, and it's a lot of stuff that the truth will be told, man. We're telling them I'm writing a book. I got a lot of stuff coming, new music, new projects. And like I said, man, I'm here for a little bit, but not a long time. So I love all my supporters, man. 103.5 The Beat, Papa Keith, everybody, man.
On August 15, Sean Kingston was sentenced to 3.5 years in prison for his role in a $1 million luxury fraud scheme in South Florida. He will also serve 3 years probation following his release. A judge ruled that while serving his prison term, half of the salary earned will go towards restitution. After his release, 10% of his monthly gross earnings will be applied to repayment. Kingston and his mother, Janice Turner, were arrested in May of 2024 after a SWAT raid on his Southwest Ranch's rental mansion. Both were convicted in March of conspiracy and multiple counts of wire fraud. Turner was sentenced in July to 5 years in prison and 3 years probation and ordered to pay restitution, with a hearing set for October 16. Vybz Kartel elated to make a grand return to the UK.
Chap, that's an array.
Remember that tonight, O2 Arena, Vybz Kartel, night 1. All of the ladies then, forward out from Shirley.
A clip posted to the God is the Greatest DJ's Instagram account ahead of his headlining concert at the O2 Arena. Vybz Kartel is slated to headline a 2-day tour at the arena, performing to a sold-out audience in what is anticipated to be a historic moment for dancehall culture. According to sources, the DJ is the first dancehall artist to headline a sold-out tour at the arena. This follows on his success of becoming the only dancehall artist to cop 3 sold-out performances at the Barclays Center. Now, on the international scene, Italian fashion designer Giorgio Armani has died at the age of 91. The Armani Group, in a statement, said Armani died peacefully surrounded by loved ones. In June of this year, for the first time in his career, Armani was not in attendance for his own runway event happening in Milan. A statement from his company at the time said he was recovering at home, with no reference to a medical condition. In his early life, Armani studied medicine and served in the military. The Giorgio Armani brand launched in 1975. It became routine to see stars wearing Armani clothing on the red carpet. Armani was one of the few designers to stay as the sole shareholder of the company. Last year, analysts with Bloomberg Intelligence valued his business between roughly 9 to nearly 12 billion US dollars. That's it for E Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.